We're here in Waikiki. We're bringing Site to look for something that she can buy here in Waikiki and explore the beautiful Waikiki beach and yeah, all these big shops and hotels. Yeah, it's quite tall, man. Ooh, so tall. And Mel, you tired? Wanna eat? We're gonna eat a lot of seafood when we get over there, okay?
I want McDonald's.
Yeah, oh, you like McDonald's? McDonald's every day. You tired?
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna go now. But this is one of the most beautiful sights on earth. It's Waikiki, where a lot of tourism and people, they come and they enjoy their stay here in Hawaii. But I'm so glad that Site made it so that she can also see how great and how good is Waikiki and how good is Hawaii also for right? Come on, son, we're taking a video.